Hi everyone, today we will be making handmade poinsettia ornaments. Yes, you heard that right, poinsettia, not poinsettia. I just found out I've been pronouncing that word wrong my entire life. Anyways, these are beautiful to hang on your Christmas tree and make great gifts to give to family and friends. So before we get started, I'm going to go over all the materials you will need for this craft. First, you're going to need one sheet of red and one sheet of green felt, red and green glitter, a clear ornament. They typically sell two sizes, a standard or an extra large size. I like the extra large size, it's about 4 inches, but both sizes will work. Also, I recommend using the plastic bulbs, but I have kids and pets, so unbreakable is key. You're going to need gold beads. I just used the cheap Mardi Gras beads. Some holiday ribbon that's about 12 inches. This is optional, it's just for hanging the ornament. Some craft glue, Sharpie, scissors, hot glue, paper plates, and the poinsettia template that I drew that you can download from the link in the video description. Okay, let's get started. Grab the 2-page template. As you will notice, they are numbered 1 through 4, the green one being for the leaves and the pink one for the flowers. You'll notice the shapes get smaller as the numbers increase. Go ahead and cut out all the shapes and put them in order. We're going to start with number 1 and work our way up. So take your number 1 in the green felt. Put the template on the felt and trace around the shape using a Sharpie. Then grab your number 2 and trace that one on the red felt. Repeat on the red felt for shapes 3 and 4. After all your shapes are traced, go ahead and cut them all out. Next, I hope you like glitter because this next step is going to get messy. We will start with our green, so grab the green felt and glue an even amount on the outside rim of the leaves. Hold over your paper plate and sprinkle the green glitter over the entire shape, fully covering the glue areas. Pick up the felt in the center where there is no glue and tap the back sides of the leaves to shake off the excess glitter. You have to hit the back of the actual area of glitter or the glitter won't come off. I like to save my glitter, so open up the glitter cap and bend your paper plate into a funnel tip and pour it back into the container. Make sure to give it a good tap or two to get all the glitter in there. Next, we will do the flowers. So grab your glue and apply an even amount on the outside rim of the flower. Take your red glitter and hold over a clean paper plate and sprinkle on the red glitter to fully cover the glue areas. Again, hold the flower on the inside where there is no glue and tap off the back of the petals to get the excess glitter off. Repeat for your other 2 flowers. Again, I will also save my red glitter. After all the shapes are glittered, I would wait for the glitter to dry before continuing. You can let them air dry for about 20 minutes or use a hairdryer to speed up the process. But once the glitter is dry to the touch, aka won't smear when you accidentally touch it, grab your clear ornament and we are going to add our first layer. We will start with number 1 and work our way up. So take off the top ornament cap. It should pull off fairly easy. Hold your green leaves over the top. As you can see, the center covers the size of the hole opening. So we're going to cut off our leaves so they will fit around the center circle of the ornament. Hot glue your first leaf on lining up to the base of the ornament opening. Then glue the second leaf directly across from the first leaf. As you can see, I lay my ornament upside down on the opening so it doesn't roll away. Next, take your third leaf and glue it evenly between the first 2 and repeat for the last leaf. Next, we are going to glue on our first layer of flower. So take your biggest one that was labeled number 2 and again cut off each flower petal. I would recommend to lay them all over the ornament first so you can see how far they need to be glued apart. So put your first petal at an opening between 2 of the leaves and lay the rest equally apart. They should be almost touching. Once you see how they are going to go ahead and glue them on. We are going to do the same thing for the next flower layer that was labeled number 3. Be sure to place your first petal on top of the petal gap from the first layer. After that, take your last small flower layer and cut out the petals. Lay them on top of the ornament so you can see they are about a pinky length away from each other. Again, start at an opening gap of your petals and glue on your last layer. Next, take your gold beads. If you have the Mardi Gras beads like mine, go ahead and cut off 5 beads. We're going to glue each bead at the center of the flower around the ornament opening, between each petal gap. There's 5 gaps, so 5 beads. Once they are all glued, put your ornament cap back on and push the center wire down so it snaps in snug. Now if you'd like, you can add a hanging ribbon to the top. I'm just going to use this gold ribbon that is about 12 inches and double knot the end. Cut off the tips and it's done! And there you have it, a handmade poinsettia ornament. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more fun crafts and follow me on Instagram or Facebook for chances to win free gift giveaways. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!